My first time of trying to bake a cake, but guys, don't judge this cake by the look. This cake is so soft, fluffy and sweet. First time of trying to bake it and it came out so well. This cake is so perfect, but I won't give myself a perfect mark. I will just rate myself like 8 over 10, because just even when I was touching it, you can see how soft this cake is. And baking this cake, I didn't use oven. I don't have oven for the baking, so I just manage the pot I have. I use just pots to bake this cake, and it came out like this. So guys, what do you have to say? Did I try, or I should put more effort? Or maybe from 1 to 10, you can just rate it from 1, or from 1 to 10 you can just rate the cake. So enjoy the video.